What's the meaning of benefactor? Benefactor. Benefactor.
Benefactor. Benefactor. A benefactor is someone who provides financial or other types of assistance to a person, group, or organization. This person is typically motivated by a desire to help others and improve the world around them. Benefactors can donate money, time, expertise, or other resources to charitable causes, education, healthcare, research, or cultural initiatives. The act of giving can be seen as altruistic, although it may also be driven by a desire for recognition, social status, or tax benefits. Many benefactors are wealthy individuals or corporations who want to support causes they believe in and make a positive impact on society.